So, my name is Brice Donaldson. I've been involved with Gaslight for about 24 years. In this play, I get to play the decrepit old drunkard, washed-up actor playing the burglar, Selston. It's great. Is this a good first theater experience? I think so. This show's been around. This show played on the West End for 30 years. It's a classic. It's a classic because it's an exceptional example of British farce, of British comedy. It's got all of the elements, and I guarantee it will get any audience laughing and just keeping laughing for the whole evening. It's a wonderful experience, either on stage or out in the audience. Getting the sardines on, getting the sardines off. That's theater, that's life. Well, I hate to give too many spoilers, but at one point in the play, you're watching a play within a play, because you're watching the actors acting like they're backstage, but you're also watching the actors going onto the front of the stage and putting on another play. So that watching two completely different plays all coming together at the same time is a wonderful bit of theater. One of my favorite parts of the whole play is when Freddie tries to dissolve the glue on his pants, on his hands, and ends up spilling it down his pants. Because if done properly, that's a guaranteed laugh for everybody. And girls running around in their underwear, that doesn't hurt. Girls in their underwear, no, that doesn't. I'm good.